Welcome to Ashton Windmill. This 18th century structure can be found at Chapel Allerton. There are reports of windmills dating back to medieval times at this particular location. This unique tower mill that stands on the Isle of Wedmore, a ridge giving commanding views of Cheddar Gorge, the Somerset Levels and Brent Knoll. The mill was modernised in the 1900s with machinery brought from demolished Moorlinch Mill located just outside Bridgwater. The iron hoops were then added around the building. In 1967, the mill was restored and was designated a Grade II listing by English Heritage. Ashton Windmill is now preserved and is owned and maintained by Sedgemoor District Council with help from a management committee. The structure is comprised of stone walls that reach 25 feet high and are 2 feet thick. The last millstones known at the site were 3.9 feet across and were used to grind wheat for flour and beans for cattle. The sails themselves are 43 feet across and were covered with canvas originally. Please consider liking the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.